We're going to use a screen clipping tool to quickly screen clip from some settings that are within Chief Architect so that we can paste them and use them to reference on, say, another floor or another dialog box. Sometimes it's beneficial when you're troubleshooting to get some idea of what's happening in one of these dialog boxes. Let's go ahead and double click for the floor. For an example, I'm going to get into my structure panel and I got a bunch of settings here and I'm troubleshooting what's wrong in my system. So on a Windows machine, this is pretty easy. I'm going to hit Windows Shift S. This is going to get me my screen clipping tool. Of course, there is a screen clipping tool built into Chief Architect. I don't typically use that, but there we go. I've got a screen clipping. I'll hit cancel, and now all I'll need to do is hit Control V as in Victor to paste a picture, and then I can resize this. Of course, if I pasted while I was zoomed in, it would have been resized to a smaller scale anyways. But now I can use this as a reference, and when I'm done with it, I can delete it right away. So there we go. Very easy way to screen clip to use things as a reference. It's just kind of a clever idea.